What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, still out in the South Bay. And they got one of the biggest malls in Southern California. Let's go check it out. All right, we are at the Del Amo Mall. Man, whenever I come here, I always think about the movie Jackie Brown. I shot like forever ago here. All right, let's go look around. All right, starting off at Foot Locker, finally returning these shoes, the Jordan 2s, where they didn't help me at all at Jumpman LA. So gonna return these bad boys. All right, let's start with Foot Locker. All right, I did make my return finally. Finally did make my return. Been waiting for a while. I tried to go to Jumpman, but I couldn't make it because, man, I went there and like I drove around for 20 minutes. But whatever. All right, let's look at some of the J's right here. Playoffs. We haven't seen the playoffs at most spots, right? These are sold out at a lot of spots. I know not every spot, but they got the playoff 13s. Got the citruses. I hope these go on sale because maybe I might get them if they go on sale. Got the Lucky Greens, the Stealth. What I forgot what people are calling these. Then got a bunch of mids, lows. That's pretty much the Jordan section. Wait, almost skipped over the Cardinals. Maybe if these go on sale too. Yeah, I still don't have a pair of 7s. I do need a pair of 7s. Air more tempos. This is the latest colorway, I believe, right? And it's already on sale. Holy cow! I feel like these haven't been out for that long, but yeah. All right, normally what did they go to? 175 now? 170 is the current price, down to 130. I've seen the purple ones on sale for quite some time. People have asked me like, hey, how do you get the survey coupons that I was talking about? Whenever you buy anything, or even when you return something. When I return something, I did get a receipt. You could fill out that survey. If you want to be nice, you could mention the person that. There's usually like a name of the cashier. You can mention their name, say they did a great job, that type of stuff. That means a lot to them. So you could do that. And then, yeah, you get a $10 coupon just by filling that out in your email. You can use that on a lot of this type of stuff. You use it on these releases. You got LeBron's right here. This is a Christmas colorway. Here that they've been popping up at Burlington and stuff. I think Bosco talked about it. Pretty fire to be able to get that for $50. I definitely cop. But as I've said, I can't go to 8 different freaking Rosses, Burlingtons, and stuff like that. I just don't have time. I have gone to do videos for you guys, and y'all have seen like there's really not much. Unless you hit up like 10 of them a day, and I just don't got time for that. I gotta work and stuff. More Air tempos. Why aren't all the Air tempos together? Like there's some right here, $100. That's not bad. And there's another one right here as well. Like this one. I've talked about that one a million times. That one's just ugly. Now what? I've never even seen this one. What the hell is this? It's like a plasticky leather. Oh my god, this is awful. This is awful, man. That's one of my favorite shoes, and y'all jacking it up. Now think about it, I haven't worn my Air Tempos in a while. I need to wear them. And the Air Maxes, been seeing some of those on sale. And the Geodomes, been seeing that on sale. Been seeing a bunch of dunks lately. Been seeing all kinds of dunks at all kinds of different spots, especially the highs. They're just not very popular anymore. It's crazy how hype works, man. They were being gobbled up like crazy. And then the Prestos. I'm not a huge fan of the Prestos, but this is one of the better colorways. $60 half price, less than half price, $60. That is a steal. And like I said, you could use a survey coupon for this. Get it for $50. That's not bad. And then Huaraches, more Huaraches. And then look, the Infinity Run Flyknits. They're on sale too. Hey, dang, outlet prices pretty much. Yeah. Checking the women's section. I can't believe they still got these here. Dang, checked out another mall. And they, I think 1 out of 3 stores had them. Man, dude got the, what is this called? The Rusted Pink or something? I don't know. But yeah, these ain't bad. Like I said, if I had the Turbo Greens, I probably would grab these. Since I do have the Hyper Royals. Like these ain't bad. Those ain't bad. I don't really rock pink that much either. Or ever. Do I ever wear pink? I don't know. But yeah, I do got the Laney, some lows right here, some mids in the women's section. Oh, and I just glossed by these dunks. They do got dunks. I don't really mess with the regular dunks like this. And this is bright as hell. God damn, this is bright. Do got Jordan 2s, the Mars Yard 5s, Jordan 1s on sale. Can you believe Jordan 1s on sale? Only $10 off, but they are on sale. And got some the 3s, Hyper Royal 12s. Checking out the Reebok section. I'm seeing some interesting stuff here, dude. All right, we've We talked about those. Got the Eagles ones. These are on sale, which is pretty dope. Number 160, so $30 off. This is a pretty dope colorway too. I don't think I've seen this one. 140 for this. Got some nice suede on it. Pretty dope. $140 for the lows. Got those on sale. This one's fire. I've talked about these. These are $100. These ain't bad. So $40 off for that. And they got some Club C's on sale. Not too shabby. Like those. Pretty nice. But look at this. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Club C pump? Really? Doing a collab between the Club C and the pumps? Like, that's cool, but like, I don't know. I'm good on that. Just, I've never seen that before. That is crazy, crazy. Did got a couple of Shack Attacks. Like, this one ain't bad. Like, if any of these go on sale, I'll definitely grab them. Yeah, people don't seem to be loving the Shack Attacks like I do. I freaking love these. This one of my favorites right there. OG colorway. That is fire. Fire, fire. Man, people just not giving those love. I'm good though, because hopefully they go on sale and hopefully I can grab them. Pro Standard Dodger shorts. These are pretty freaking fire. They definitely not cheap because Pro Standard's never cheap. $100 for those. Shirts are on sale at least 50. These are normally what, 50? 60 down to 40. Okay. These are down to $60. I think these are normally what, 100. I have a Lakers one similar to this. Yeah, $100 down to 60. And then got the Adidas section here. Nothing really standing out too much. You got the 2 pair of Kobe's right there. The AKA the KB ones, AKA the crazy ones. All right, let's go check out some more shops. Let's go. Right across the way there's a JD Sports, and look. Oh wait, what the heck? All right, apparently I can't get to them, but they do got them here. Now, this looks like a bigger size too. Okay. Dang, at the mall near me, those were all sold out. I know they get a lot more stock here because this is one of the bigger malls. Ton of freaking J's. That is freaking crazy. That is freaking dope. The 2 new latest releases, these and those. By the time you see this, yeah, it's gonna take a couple days to get this video out. I think the Jordan 3s are gonna be out by the time you guys see this. The Wizards colorway, I'm not a big fan of those, so I did skip them. I will go out to a couple. I'll go to at least one mall to check them out for you guys. Do got the Flints right here, the Flint 13s. These definitely ain't bad. I might have to grab these. I might have to look for them at the outlets. 13s are the most popular, so I think I'm gonna have to grab those at the outlets. I kind of like those better than the UNC 13s. They do look clean. Playoff 13s too. I don't have one of these. I don't know. Maybe at the outlets too. I do like these. These 2 13s I'm a huge fan of. Just having. I don't think I like them enough to pay full price for them though. There's just too much stuff coming out, man. Too much stuff coming out. 7s, 6s, 11s, 1s. I think that's all stuff that we saw at the other shop. Couple of Jason Tatum's going for $120. This is a new colorway. I don't think I've seen these. $120 for those bad boys right there. I got Luca's Jordan 37 lows on sale. And then pumps. These are on sale. Okay, I'll grab these up. If they go cheaper, I'll definitely grab these. $80 is a little steep for me. I grabbed mine for what, 50? The last one I got was $50. If those go on sale, I'm gonna grab those. I am tripping. I forgot to check the front right here. They do have some dunks. Got some men's size dunks. I don't know what colorway this is, but yeah, they're available, man. Kind of cool seeing dunks available. I know I'm not the biggest fan of them. I know plenty of you guys are, but yeah, they are available. That's cool. It's cool. All right. Great to see those. Great to see dunks. All right, let's go check out some more spots. I think they got, what, 2 more sneaker shops here? Let's go. All right, do got a Shoe Palace. All right, let's go. Jordan section. Kind of what we expected. Nothing too crazy. Do got some preschool. Okay. All right, do got a couple of these on sale. 70s, pretty tempting. That's my size. I don't know if you have to go half size up on these or not. I know with some of the other ones you did, but yeah, I've got too much stuff going on right now. Just saw these on sale. These are on sale as well. I think they were cheaper over there, right? Got some Harachis as well. In the women's section, do got these Ultra Boost. Not too shabby. Air Max 97s on sale. We are seeing a lot of dope stuff on sale, man. Like not bad, not bad. 140 for these, and then $90 for these. Not bad. And we got more on sale. Dang, these are going for $140. $100 for these. You really can't go wrong with that. Nice clean colorway, and then this is just crazy. That's just those colors are crazy. And then dude got the Fontankas right there. The Air Force One Fontankas going for $50. Are you serious? That's the one with the React in it. All right. Not seeing the craziest stuff. Let's go check out Champs. See what's up there. Do got a Champs. Let's go check them out real quick. Kind of have to make a detour now, so we're gonna be quick. Damn, no Jordans here, just those. We got the Heritage. I haven't seen that. Too many spots. Dude got MB1s. That is kind of crazy. I thought these were all sold out. Maybe they got a restock or something. MB2s have been on sale lately. Reeboks. I don't really see any sales here. What's going on? Dang, no sales tag in this section right here. Crocs got all kinds of collabs going on. I don't even know what collab this is with. But yeah, man. $70 for Crocs, holy cow. These are the latest ones. These are going for so much. Dang, $80, holy cow. Oh my goodness, who's paying $80 for Crocs? I guess the Celine Bembury's. People are paying a ton for those, right? That's crazy. Dude got the Gill Zeros, got some Kobe's. All right, I need to cut this visit short. All right, we're gonna wrap it up.